Hi, my name is Nafizu. In this video, I will be going through the Azure Fundamentals lab. We're going to start off with Module 2 and we're going to do the Lab 1. So if you just click on that. And what we need to do on this task 1 is create virtual machine. So first of all, we need to sign in. So we go to address bar and type in portal.azure.com. We'll ask you for username and password. Once you're logged in, you can follow the instruction. So we logged in. Number 2, so we need to go to all services, select virtual machine, add and create. And we're going to add and create virtual machine. Then we're going to do number 3, to fill in the tabs. You can fill all these. Subscriptions, resource group, virtual machine name, region, image, size, username and password, select inbound ports, RDP and HTTP. And we need to, once we do that, go to management tab and select monitoring. We're going to disable the boot diagnostics. Let's get cracking. So on the top left hand corner on the 3 lines, if you click it there, menu will come up and you select all services. And there's a virtual machine from here. Sometimes the virtual machine might not be there. If it's not there, on the top, type in virtual machine and it should bring it up there. And then we're going to create virtual machine. So click on create Azure virtual machine. And we're going to fill in the tabs. First of all, we need to create the resource group. Create, I'll call it az900. Click OK. Machine name, I'll call it my VM virtual machine. Leave the region as is. To change the image to Windows Server 19. Username, I'll call it AZ. Give it AZ. I'll call it Azure user. Password. Type in the password again. Scroll it down. Make sure that's selected. Allow selected ports. Select inbound ports. Click it there. Select HTTP. You should select both of them. Scroll it down. Click on review and create. It will run the validation. If the validation passes, we need to go back to the management. We need to disable the boot diagnostic. Then we finally go to review, create again. To show you how much it's going to cost. Validation passed. Finally, we can click on create. Will show deployment is in progress. You can also check on the top here, notifications. If you click it there, it will show that deployment in progress. Once the deployment is successful, it will tell you here the notification. You can close the notification next step we need to go to. Done it. We're going to be needing the task 2. So this time we're going to connect the virtual machine. We're going to go to resources, overview, connect, RDP. We're going to connect it to the, and then we're going to download the RDP file, and we're going to open. We're going to connect to the virtual machine. Let's do that. Go to resources, overview, connect, RDP, download RDP file, click open. Message will pop up. Tick this box, connect, put the username, which was Azure user, and then your password. Tick there, say yes. Now it should connect to virtual machine. Once it's loaded, you can close everything. You can close this screen. And we're connected now. We're on task 3 now. Install the web server role and test. So we're going to go back to the virtual machine with that one we just created, and we're going to use the PowerShell. So we go back, just scroll it down to your virtual machine. You go to search, type in PowerShell, just type in power. This should show everything there. PowerShell, right click on it, run as administrator, and then we need to copy the file, this script. Click on copy, load up your virtual machine, right click on it, new copy, and just press enter. The installation will start. Once the installation is complete, I'll show it like that. We need to do the next instruction, number 4. So we need to go to overview, click on clipboard. We need to copy the public IP address. Go back to your virtual machine, the Azure portal, and if you click on overview here, and there's your public IP address. Just click on the clipboard, it'll copy. If we launch a new browser, just copy and paste the IP address and press enter, and it will show you the result. There you go. File displayed. That's done. Now we need to delete the resource group so we don't get charged. So we go to resource group, one we created. Just click on the resource group that you created. Click on delete resource group, and then you just type in the name, which is az900, and you click on delete. That should delete the resource group. Anything that within the resource group will be deleted, and you will not be charged. You can see here the notification is deleted. And you'll see it's on the top on the notification. Resource group has been deleted. Once that's done, you can close that. Go back home. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.